Protecting your IP, watch services, takedowns, and customs recordation. In today's competitive market, safeguarding your intellectual property is more important than ever. Protecting your intellectual property is crucial for innovation and market leadership. We'll dive into watch services, platform takedowns, and customs recordation to give you a comprehensive understanding. First, let's explore watch services. Watch services continuously monitor various markets and platforms to detect potential trademark and copyright infringements, alerting you when a threat is identified. This proactive approach is essential for protecting your brand and creative works from unauthorized use, both online and offline. Next, we'll cover platform takedowns. Platform takedowns involve formally requesting online platforms to remove content that infringes on your intellectual property rights. Key steps include gathering clear evidence of infringement, providing specific links to the infringing content, and citing the legal basis for your request. Finally, let's discuss customs recordation. Customs recordation allows you to register your intellectual property with customs agencies, empowering them to seize counterfeit goods at the border. This is a powerful tool to prevent the import and distribution of fake products, protecting your brand reputation and revenue. Combining these strategies offers the strongest defense for your IP. Watch services detect threats, takedowns remove them, and customs recordation stops them before they even enter the market. A layered approach ensures comprehensive protection, giving you peace of mind in a complex global market. In conclusion, intellectual property protection is a multifaceted endeavor. Proactive monitoring with watch services, swift action with platform takedowns, and border security with customs recordation are your essential tools for safeguarding your innovations.